Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel, English Language University. From outside. Excellent. What are you doing now? Excellent. What are you feeling now? Excellent. What do you mean? Excellent. What about you? Excellent. What are you doing tomorrow? Excellent. What is your favorite place? Excellent. People come and go. Excellent. That's great. Excellent. Please don't leave me. Excellent. Please going. Excellent. Motivation video. Excellent. Can you answer me please? Excellent. Don't have to be. Excellent. Can't stand. Excellent. Can't stand confrontations. Excellent. So cute. Excellent. Good afternoon. Excellent. People pleaser. Excellent. Nationality. Excellent. Nationwide. Excellent. I will talk to people who are ambitious in life. Excellent. How's it going? Excellent. How's it going today? Excellent. Sure thing. Excellent. Why do you say that? Excellent. Why this question? Excellent. Why do you do that? Excellent. Why are you not responding? Excellent. What is your job? Excellent. Teamwork makes the dream work. Excellent. From time to time. Excellent. Watch this very interesting video. Excellent. Spend time with me. Excellent. Spend time with family. Excellent. Spend time with family and friends. Excellent. Spend time with you. Excellent. Spend time to rest. Excellent. Why are you silent? Excellent. Why do you think so? Excellent. Why do you want to know? Excellent. Why do you want to know this? Excellent. Clothing store. Excellent. Clothing store owner. Excellent. About you and your family. Excellent. Are you there? Excellent. Are we friends? Excellent. You're welcome. Excellent. Phrase of the day. Excellent. Pay attention. Excellent. Pay attention, please. Excellent. On Sunday, I will go with my friends to the football stadium to cheer on my favorite team. Excellent. In the summer, I will go to the Maldives Sea. Excellent. More and more. Excellent. More and more. Beautiful. Excellent. The end of the road begins. Excellent. To be able to. Excellent. Tomorrow afternoon. Excellent. Know your worth. Excellent. Leave me. Excellent. Leave me alone, please. Excellent. Level up. Excellent. How are you feeling this morning? Excellent. Going to work. Excellent. I'm going to the barber's. Excellent. I'm going to the airport now. Excellent. 7,950, 7,951, 7,952, 7,953, 7,954, 7,955, 7,956, 7,957, 7,958, 7,959, 7,960, 7,961, 7,962, 7,963, 7,964, 7,965, 7,966, 7,967, 7,968, 7,969, 7,970, 7,971, 7,972, 7,973, 7,974, 7,975, 7,976, 7,977, 7,978, 7,979, 7,980, 7,981, 7,982, 7,983, 7,984, 7,985, 7,986, 7,987, 7,988, 7,989, 7,990, 7,991, 7,992, 7,993, 7,994, 7,995, 7,996, 7,997, 7,998, 7,999, 8,000, 8,001, 8,002, 8,003, 8,004, 8,005, 8,006, 8,007, 8,008, 8,009, 8,010, 8,011, 8,012, 8,013, 8,014, 8,015, 8,016, 8,017, 8,018, 8,019, 8,020, 8,021, 8,022, 8,023, 8,024, 8,025, 8,026, 8,027, 8,028, 8,029, 8,030, 8,031, 8,032, 8,033, 8,034, 8,035, 8,036, 8,037, 8,038, 8,039, 8,040, 8,041, 8,042, 8,043, 8,044, 8,045, 8,046, 8,047, 8,048, 8,049, 8,050. Excellent. In this case, excellent. That's great to hear. Excellent. Purpose. Excellent. Purpose of travel. Excellent. Yes, of course. Excellent. Yes, of course, my dear. Excellent. This tree is beautiful. Excellent. This house is beautiful. Excellent. This student is diligent. Excellent. How does it work? Excellent. How to sell the product? Excellent. High school student. Excellent. Did you watch the match? Real Madrid and Barcelona. Excellent. Qatar organized the FIFA World Cup. Excellent. Business meeting. Excellent. It is essential that you recognize how your old ways of thinking and acting have gotten you to exactly where you are now. Excellent. Speaking of trust. Excellent. Good luck. Thank you for watching. We hope you benefited from our appointment. To the next video.